Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable invoices in billing portal in Adalo step by step clearly. To enable invoices in the billing portal in Adalo, start by logging into your Adalo account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the project for which you want to enable the invoicing feature. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Settings option. Under Settings, look for the Billing section. Click on Billing to access the billing settings. Here, you will see options for managing your billing preferences. Locate the option for enabling invoices. Toggle the setting to enable invoices for your project. After enabling invoices, look for the option to set up the billing portal. Click on the Billing Portal option to begin configuration. Fill in the required fields, including your business information. Define your invoice settings according to your needs. You may need to specify the currency and payment methods accepted. Once all details are filled in, review your settings for accuracy. Click on the Save button to apply your changes. After saving, navigate to the billing portal to ensure everything appears correctly. Test the invoicing feature by creating a sample invoice. Confirm that the invoices are being generated as expected. If everything looks good, you are now ready to start using the invoicing and billing portal features in Adalo. Make sure to revisit the settings periodically for any needed updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.